yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Are you feeling? Sure.
LJ Addict.
What is
Are you
that?
ready? That boy saw what? That boy saw what? That boy saw what? Baby, Ykee Benda, come over.
Together.
Let's go. Say, I'm rented, but not yet. Okay, say,
Sweetie, I'm ready. Okay, say, come
such a gentleman, such a sweet man. General compensi nani, nataka kukupigia dale. Ambalo na kusimbe, umiguano kadizite. Say, sweetie, I'm ready. Banange wakulete, poke se kumete. Kids, come on, kids, come on. Ykee bayimbire mulindako. Njagala goweka.
Mulinga chisenso
mwesiba mchiwa tusimuta.
Olunaku muli wateka boda bicycle eno kajamu kakute n'omutima baby kuma oli amajuba kawuta tetulye tufe dokunywa situne we celebrate love nafunye kuno banange kuno sanane silo ona kupera Lydia. Listen. Nafunye kuno banange kuno. Nisana nechiro, ona kumpera mukiro. Banange, biromansi bimpambye. Banange, oruwala nwefuze. Banange. Yo, thank you for coming out, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, let me hear some noise for the boys so tender.
Yo.
First of all, Ykee is not just my friend, but also my business partner. So Ykee is my friend mu music. Na atengene mu account atukolera chi ayongera ya kasente akalulu. Ykee aleta businesses to our company. Bwobonjagala kuba akalulu. Lero ndi brand ambassador wa Radiant, you know, because banoonya nga tebanfuna. Ne bagende wachi mpaka records yaleta Radiant. Today I'm a brand ambassador, influencer, face. Sente ze bampa omwezi zimbezezaawo ne mu lockdown emyaka egi. Akalulu ka Ykee kaliwo. Thank you so much, Ykee, my brother. Atobanja nawe.
I love you.
Mushayaga